Hi Kendalls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name's Kendall, and today I'm going to be doing might be my final tutorial on my mini series, and this is just going to be my brow routine. And so if you guys are wondering how I do my brows, you were wondering for some tips, tricks on how you can do your brows really quickly, fill them in, then definitely stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to put on my notifications, that way y'all don't miss any of my new uploads. And let's just get straight into the tutorial. The first shade I'm going to be taking from my brows is my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 6. I use the darkest shade. I like my eyebrows to be like pretty dark. This is what it looks like. And so on one end it has this, and this is like the bristles. I call this a spoolie. Spoolie lets you comb through your brows and everything. And then this side here is the actual pencil part itself. So I'm just going to start with using the spoolie side, and I'm going to just brush them upwards, kind of just so that way I have like a guide. And it also helps me when I'm going underneath, that way all the brows are laying in the same direction. So I'm going to take now this other side. I'm just going to start, I always kind of start right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just start making little hair-like strokes.
Put the top down, put your pose, hand up on your back, try slow. Take your time.
Yeah, me, I feel like I really don't have that much brows. Like I really wish I had you know those people that just got like thick, just perfect brows. Like I really wish I did. But I've been doing a little something lately where I've just been putting like Jamaican black castor oil on them. And because I read that that's supposed to help them grow, it's supposed to help like all your hair grow. You can use it for your edges, use it for the rest of your hair, your lashes. I've heard it for like really great things. So I'll let y'all know how that works. So if y'all see my brows looking a mess right now, don't judge me. I'm like growing them out. So I'm just gonna keep making little hair-like strokes all throughout.
Baby, happy in my
And then once I get towards like the front, I'm gonna go through them again with the spoolie. And then once I get towards this part, I'm just going to make the strokes towards upwards directions. And that's why I like this pencil. Since it's so thin, it lets me be very precise. Yeah, so I do my brows. I definitely would recommend these Benefit pencils. They're very creamy. I've tried other brands, and it always kind of seemed like the formula would dry out a little too fast, or something would always just be wrong with them. I've had them where they would crumble off. I don't have the problem with this one. They're just very creamy. The formula is always like super nice. So even if I haven't used it in a while, I feel like it doesn't dry out as easy as other brands have that I've tried. And also it doesn't like break off. Like I've had, I ain't gonna say no names, but I've used this one brand where like every time I try to use it, the pencil would just keep crumbling off, and I said, this just isn't right. So yeah, this one, super good, long lasting. I really like it. I don't feel like I run out of it. I feel like they don't jip you product wise. Get your money's worth. And y'all let me know if y'all have this problem. I get it, they're supposed to be sisters, they're twins, twin siblings, sisters, whatever. But mine always come out like, I just feel like so different. It drives me literally nuts. And I know why it is. I know it's because like if you see like this part, I always feel like I don't have like brows like right here in this area, and it drives me nuts. So like that's definitely like one of like the main areas I've been trying to target with the castor oil. So we'll see. Guess we'll have to wait it out and see. Because I know it don't work like, you know, it's not like an overnight remedy, but you know, hopefully I'll start seeing some results soon. And then all I do for my brows is I'll just set them in place with some little brow gel. And I've been using my NYX Control Freak brow gel. I mean, I've used an expensive one before, but I mean, they all do the same thing. So I mean, why not save a few bucks where you can, right? And plus, I like this one, it's clear. So it's just really nice, it doesn't add any color. So I'll just drag it through. And then same thing, I'll just go upwards like this. I'll do the other eye. And that's about it. That's how I do my brows, pretty much. Just a little two-step little thing. And I mean, it works for me. If y'all do y'all's brows differently, more power to you. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, Kendalls.